Picture this. It's Saturday. The kids are in jerseys, the cooler's half full, and then your phone buzzes. An arrest. Heart drops. Plans evaporate. Who has the kids now? What do you say? What actually changes legally? You are not alone.
Welcome to Danni's Den. Today I'll give clear, practical steps you can take in the first few days. How to keep the kids safe, what records to gather, and how to hold on to the predictable little things, like game day rituals. Let's chat. First, quick legal reality. An arrest is not the same as a conviction. Big difference. Family courts focus on the child's best interest, safety, stability, and who can provide care. Headlines don't decide custody. Evidence does. So what changes immediately? Sometimes nothing dramatic. Other times, an emergency order can temporarily adjust who has custody if a judge or police think a child is at risk. The point is, don't assume the worst, but do act with purpose. Okay, safety first. If you or the kids are in danger, call emergency services right now. Don't wait. If you're safe but shaken, get a trusted person to be with the kids while you gather yourself. A neighbor, a family member, someone reliable. If there's any sign of domestic violence, document injuries, keep medical records and photos, and contact local hotlines or shelters. Those records matter in both criminal and family court. Next, write things down. Not later, right now. Dates, times, who was there, officer names, report numbers, booking info if you have it. Save texts, emails, and voicemails. Screenshot conversations. If a neighbor or friend saw something, get their name and best contact. Quiet, clear notes beat big emotions in court. You're probably wondering, what do I say to the kids? Keep it simple. For little ones, try, Mommy, Daddy has to be away for a bit. You're safe with me, and we have our plans. Small kids need that concrete reassurance more than details. For older kids, be honest without oversharing. Some adult things are happening right now. We'll figure it out together. Avoid blaming language. Their stability matters more than your explanations. Now, short-term parenting arrangements. Don't try to craft the permanent plan in hour one. Aim for stability. Say something like, for now, I'll handle weekday care so school stays consistent. We'll discuss supervised weekend visits pending a court review. Plain, safety-focused wording reads well later. Put those proposals in writing and share them via text or email. Why? A written note creates a paper trail. Keep messages short and factual. No long emotional rants. That helps a judge see you're acting in the child's interest. A quick pitfall. Don't post about the arrest on social media. It can be used against you or add fuel to a court fight. Keep communications with the other parent written and minimal when possible. Okay, let's talk rituals, because they matter. Kids crave predictability. If Saturdays are Eagles time or Sundays are Yankees time, keep the basics the same. Same kickoff time, same snack, same spot on the couch. Rituals are small anchors. If the other parent usually brings the hot dogs or takes the kids to the pregame, line up a backup, a neighbor, a grandparent, a close friend. Put backup names in a short written plan. Judges like proactive caregiving, not chaos. Small rituals you can start tonight. A 2-song game day playlist, a quick 5-minute pregame chat about one thing the kids are excited about, or a labeled snack container that's always there. These things sound tiny, but they send a powerful message of stability. Legal docs to gather in 72 hours. Police reports, medical records, photos of any damage or injury, screenshots of messages, school attendance if kids miss school, and a short timeline in your own words. If important documents were controlled by the arrested partner, passports, medication lists, financial papers, note that right away. If you can, talk to a lawyer quickly, a family law attorney for custody, and a criminal attorney if charges are involved. Many firms offer free initial consultations, and legal aid is available in lots of places. Knowing options calms decision-making. Before we move on, don't expect the system to solve everything overnight. Your early actions, safety, documentation, and showing you're preserving routines shape how courts and agencies view the situation. Small, steady moves matter. Music moment. When things feel raw, a little familiar music can soften the room. I reach for 90s R&B, something warm and steady. A go-to of mine is Tevin Campbell's Can We Talk? It's gentle, not heavy, and gives us space to breathe before tough conversations. Play a verse in the car before you talk to the kids, or cue it quietly while you make the backup plan. Music doesn't fix the legal parts, but it helps set a calmer tone for the family.
Quick recap. 5 actions in the first 72 hours. First, ensure immediate safety for you and the children. Second, document dates, police reports, and messages. Third, propose a simple, written temporary parenting plan that protects routines. Fourth, gather medical, school, and witness information. Fifth, reach out to an attorney or legal aid and avoid public posts about the case. If this landed on something you're facing, take a breath. These are practical steps, not guarantees. For advice tailored to your situation, consult a licensed family or criminal attorney. If you need immediate support, reach out to local legal aid or domestic violence hotlines. Help is available. If you found this useful, please subscribe to Danny's Den so you get these short, practical episodes. Drop a comment with topics you want next, parenting plans, visitation wording, or how to document incidents, and I'll cover them. Thanks for spending this time with me. Be safe, keep the small rituals, and let's chat. Thanks for listening to Danny's Den. Check the show notes for resource links to local legal aid and domestic violence hotlines. Take care.